It's November in California and it's 95 degrees outside. It's ridiculous. I got a drive shaft to install. My new drive shaft is here. Oh, this thing's heavy. We moved the slip from the main shaft up into the yoke. Here's one of my old, I'm using it as a zip tie holder right now. Isn't that awesome? See how it snaps this thing? It's because you do not get enough stub shaft to slip engagement, so it just torques it open. So what we've done is we've put the splines on the shaft. So look at that. Oh, yeah. Monster slip. I am very happy with how this has turned out. So let's go install it. You can see the slip yoke on this one got even more knackered than before. So I'm just gonna pull this off real quick. Never goes smoothly. Okay. You see this? That's what's happened twice now. This is the stub shaft going into the slip. As I get extension, which happens during compression and extension, I get less overlap. And it just goes ping and pops it off. At least it's not heavy and awkward. That would suck. Make sure your transfer case is in neutral. You'd think by now I'd have this down. With the massive 1350 CV, it's almost impossible to get a socket in there. Okay. 2 down, 2 to go. Not awkward at all. Okay. Almost home. Yippity-doo. It's in. Good, good, good. Merricks Garage.
I haven't really had a ton of opportunity to get out and thrash on this new drive shaft yet, but taking the splines off of the main shaft and putting them down at the differential at the yoke gives me confidence that I'm not going to see that torque shear that I had before. The travel on this thing is actually quite surprising. If you remember from my last video, just how much it moves was shocking to me and the guy who was measuring it. But you can see here that it's moving just fine. I'm not too worried about snapping it like I was before. Really happy with how burly it is. My angles look good. And yeah, very little vibration even when driving on the road in 4 high, which I did test out. Got it up to about 40 miles an hour before it really gave me any significant vibration. So giddy up, let's go back to Pismo!